Hello everyone, welcome to all in this channel. Today I'm going to discuss electricity complete chapter of class 10 science. Okay, so starting with the very first topic, that is a resistance. Resistance basically a position of electron, okay, in a wire conductor. All right, so this is a resistance in series. If you have to connect a resistor in series, this is the diagram of resistance connected in series, basically a chain. So the formula is basically sum of all the resistance, okay. And if you connected a resistance in parallel combination like this, so what you have to do is basically you have to connect them in parallelly, okay. These three resistors are connected in parallel. This is the diagram, and the formula of the parallel combination of resistance is 1 by parallel combination of resistors is 1 by r1 1 by r2. Basically you have to add all these by 1 by form, okay. And the other topic is, someone is asking what is current. So current is basically charge upon time. Charge is number of electron into charge of electron, okay, how much electron emitted basically, and denote. This is the formula. And the next topic is electric potential. Basically its work is you have to do a unit positive charge from infinity to a given point in an electric field. That is important role plays by a electric potential. Basically you have to use a charge from taking a position from infinity to a given point, okay. So how much you have to work done, basically it is work done, how much you have to work, okay. So work done upon charge, basically it is depend upon charge. So basically you have to do is work done upon charge. This is the formula of potential, basically 1 joule per coulomb, okay. And if how much change in potential you have to calculate, basically, so you have to do is final minus initial, basically the final potential value minus initial, or also you can say that is higher potential minus lower potential, okay. And what is the resistance? I also tell earlier, resistance basically a position. Basically the formula of resistance is R equal to rho L by A, and resistance is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. If the area of the conductor is very large, so resistance is very less. Electrons are easily flows from the conductor, okay. Bad conductor are silver, copper and aluminum are good conductor, and bad conductor are rubber, wood and glass. This is also important. This is the formula of resistance, okay. And resistance also vary with the increase in the temperature, okay. And resistance directly proportional to the length, inversely to the area of cross section, okay. This is Ohm law. Voltage is directly proportional to the current, okay. And the constant quantity here is proportional. If you have to remove proportional, so you have a coefficient, that is basically resistance, all right. And V equal to IR. If you have to divide 1 by R, basically you have to have G, that is conductivity. If you have to divide, okay, conductance, G denote conductance. This is the curve of Ohm law, basically a straight line, okay. You have to increase voltage, so current is also increasing, all right. So you have seen in this diagram a straight line, okay. One side voltage, one side current, and you have to calculate slope. So you have to take 2 point, that is b1, b2 and I2 or I1 here is. So subtract potential minus current, higher minus lower values, so you have resistance values, okay. And this is the curve of non-ohmic, means they do not follow Ohm law, V directly proportional to the I. So this is a diagram of non-ohmic, okay, resistance. They do not follow the curve of straight line, okay. This is also important. The material that obey are metallic conductor who obey Ohm law, and they do not obey are semiconductor, okay. If someone is asking, Another term here is conductivity, basically 1 by resistivity. If you know the formula resistivity, then you can easily calculate conductivity by their proportion. Okay. EMF here is can be defined as energy spent by the cell per unit charge carrying through its complete circuit. Okay, EMF formula is work done to the charge. Here is resistivity. Okay, resistivity is resistance into area upon length. If you know the formula of resistance, you can easily calculate resistivity. Okay, you have to do one thing is resistivity in left hand side and area of cross section into resistance multiplied by length, so you can easily calculate resistivity. Resistivity is less for good conductor of electricity. If someone is good conductor, the resistivity is very less. Okay, and resistivity is also increased with the temperature like resistance. This is the mind map and the important topic I am already discussed. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.